Hey there, Windows Wanderers. So, you've decided to embark on the mystical journey of Windows 11, but the default settings are partying like it's 1999 on your computer. Fear not. In this video, we'll transform your Windows experience from default drab to customized fab. Let's start with the Start menu, because who likes a crowded party, right? Right-click that Windows button, stroll into Settings like you own the place, hit up Personalization, and tidy up the Start menu. We're talking decluttering like Marie Kondo on a digital mission. Ever feel like your Start menu is wasting prime real estate? We've got the remedy. Click on Folders. Add some snazzy shortcuts, and voila! Now, when you click on Windows, it's like having a VIP pass to your favorite digital hangouts. Now, let's talk about those notifications. They're like the party crashers of the digital world. Right-click the Windows button, strut into Settings again, because we're VIPs here, hit up Notifications, and tell Windows, no more tips and suggestions, thank you very much. Promoted apps be like, hey, wanna buy something? Shut them down by visiting the sacred grounds of privacy and security. Turn off those Windows permissions like you're closing the door on unwanted salespeople. Bye-bye, intruders. We're getting serious about privacy now. Head into Privacy and Security, our secret lair, and let's start with speech. Turn off online speech recognition, because who needs their computer eavesdropping on your sweet nothings? Not us. You still get to rock the mic with voice typing and dictation, but let's take a detour to inking and typing personalization. When this switches on, Windows starts curating a collection of unique words, like celebrity names, in your personal dictionary. Sure, it might make your typing dance more accurately, but personally, I'm not a fan of the keyboard becoming a language expert. So, I'm giving it the old heave-ho and turning it off. Next on the chopping block is diagnostics and feedback. Say sayonara to optional diagnostic data, unless you're like me, living life on the edge as a Windows insider. Down below, you can also flick the switch on other settings. Feeling bold? Hit that button and wipe the slate clean of any diagnostic data that's been lurking around. And just like that, we're done in this neck of the digital woods. Quick pit stop, let's dash over to activity history and flick off the local activity storage. No need to keep a record of your digital exploits. It's like Batman erasing his bat tracks. In the wild jungle of app permissions, some apps want VIP access to your camera and microphone. No, thank you. Customize it like you're curating an exclusive guest list. Choose who gets the backstage pass and who's stuck in the nosebleeds. Let's talk about apps, the gatecrashers of the digital soiree. Limit where they come from by going to Settings, selecting Apps, and choosing a source like you're selecting the finest wines for a feast. Microsoft Store? Classy choice. Startup programs, the early birds of the digital morning. Weed out the freeloaders in Settings, select Apps, and then Startup. Be the bouncer of your computer club, allowing only the VIPs to enter during startup. Microsoft Accounts Vs. Local accounts, the eternal debate. If you're craving privacy, switch to a local account like you're moving from a bustling city to a tranquil village. Settings, Accounts, and voila. Local account magic. And that's a wrap, folks. If this video tickled your tech fancy, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your digital comrades. Subscribe for more digital shenanigans. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video where Windows gets a makeover, and we party like it's 2099.